very grateful for my children for giving me some notice that day. I don't prepare for it. Even I'm about to go to a friend nearby. He said I should not go. Thank them for what they are doing. The Almighty Father continue to bless them. And I thank my wife being with me, the Almighty Father. As I'm doing 80, it is 80, up to 100, anything above 100, I'm not doing. I have to thank the pastor, the member of Christian Fellowship. Since I came to America, attending that church, I was highly impressed, especially the pastor, the way he preached the sermon. It made me happy. Even I don't want to go back to Nigeria. Thank you. Then I have a family around. Dr. Odeshoya and the wife. When I'm sick, Odeshoya will come to me and take me to the hospital. I say thank you. I take this opportunity to thank you. The Almighty Father bless you. Those who come from very far places, I thank all of you. I think this must be an unscheduled invitation. Almighty Father be with you. As I'm doing 80, you will do 80, you will do 90, you will do anything above 100, I'm not doing it.
Praise the Lord. Papa is not doing 80, Papa is doing 85. That's right. Glory be to God. And that's right, 80s. That's right. Papa is moving to 90. So when he close 100, I don't know about that. That's right.